Standard 6, Subject English, Poem 4.1, Sleep, My Treasure. Before I start this poem, I would like to give you a short introduction related to this poem. The treasure in the poem is the baby who is being addressed by the mother. The mother is describing the night and telling the child to sleep. The mother is also telling the child to wake up in the morning while describing how the beautiful morning scenery would be. So, dear children, this was a short introduction related to this poem. Now, I will first recite this poem for you all. Please pay attention. Here I start. Sleep, sleep, my treasure, the all day's pleasure has tried the birds to their nests they creep. The garden still is alight with lilies, but all the daisies are fast asleep. Sleep, sleep, my darling, dawn wakes the starling. The sparrow stirs when he sees daybreak, but all the meadow is wrapped in shadow, and you must sleep till the daisies wake. E. Nesbit. So here I have recited this poem for you all. Now one by one I'm going to explain you each stanza. Here you can see the first stanza. Here I start. Sleep, sleep, my treasure. Now, what is meant by treasure? Treasure means something that is precious and highly valued. So, here for the mother, the precious thing is her child. So, she is trying to make her child sleep. So, she is saying that sleep, sleep, my treasure. The long day's pleasure. Now, what is meant by pleasure, dear children? Pleasure means you can say enjoyment, happiness, or satisfaction. So here the mother is saying that you have enjoyed the day, now it's time to sleep. Has tied the birds to their nest they creep. Now what is meant by creep? Creep means to move slowly and quietly. So here the mother is giving example of the bird, that see the birds are very tired and they also went slowly and quietly to their nest to rest. The garden still alight with lilies. Now alight with lilies means lit up with. So you can see in garden that a light with lily, it is lighted with the lilies, but all the daisies are fast asleep. So here she is giving example of the daisy's flower. See, in the garden the daisy's flower is also went fast asleep. So in the poem the mother is putting her baby to sleep. The mother is addressing the baby as her treasure. She says that the birds are very tired due to the long day pleasure of doing a lots of hard work. So all the birds quietly and slowly went to their nest to rest. Soon all the birds have gone to their nest. Now here the mother is saying in the garden the light up with the lilies flower, and all the daisies that has earlier bloomed in the garden, they also went fast asleep. So here the mother is making her child to make her sleep while giving different example. Let's move to the next stanza of the poem. Sleep, sleep, my darling. So here the mother is saying, darling, to her child that sleep, sleep, my darling. Dawn wakes the starling. Now here, what is mean by starling? Starling means a common bird with the dark shining feathers and a loud call. So here she is saying that dawn wakes the starling. The sparrow stirs. Now what is mean by stirs? Stirs means moves silently. So here she is giving the example of the sparrow bird, that the sparrow bird stirs when she days break, but all the meadow. Now what is meant by meadow? Meadow means a grassland which is covered with the shadow. So here it says that but all the meadow is wrapped means covered in the shadow, and you must sleep till the daisy wake. So according to the mother is telling the baby to go to sleep. She also mentioned that the swans wake up the blackbirds, the sparrow. Now she is giving the example of the sparrow bird. She says that the sparrow start moving and stall itself when he sees the dawn, but the whole meadow is covered in the shadow of the night. So here the mother is saying to her treasure, to the baby, to you must sleep till it daybreak and till the time the daisy flower wake up. So here the mother is giving different example to her baby child that each and every word is when to sleep. So you also sleep until the daisy flower wake up. Dear children, hope you all understood this beautiful poem. Thank you.